Hello friends, welcome on Results Hosting. So it's the as you can see the company by its description also display your exam results online using the world's cheapest result serving provider, Result Hosting. Send your school results in Excel format and they will display your results online. So this is the Results Hosting, also called Results Hosting India, US and International. Their address, their phone numbers and all of that. So now visit their website. So they are providing services to display exam results online of any strength of the results from 100 results to 1 lakh to 10 lakh to cover the results online using the world's cheapest results serving provider, and they are also in the field of entrance examination and conducting of admission tests. So what they are doing is they generated new platform for online application system for school, colleges and universities. So what they do is they are collecting data of students for particular universities, college and schools, institutes, and they will generate all of, as you can see here. So results hosting is typically and originally based on displaying results, exam results online. Any results from institute to college to university, from coaching to organizations, from humanitarian organizations, any type of organization, any type of institute, any type of university, any type of school, any type of anything. You can display your exam results online using resultshosting.net or .in. These websites registered and to display exam results online. Visit resultshosting.net to display your exam results online. Thank you very much.